How to add page in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Now as you can see, I already have one image or one page over here where I have added on my project. Now if I want to add the page in this project, as I want to add another picture, then all I have to do is just tap on the three dotted lines at the top of the screen over here. So tap on that and then you can see the option of settings over here. So tap on settings and then tap on show page thumbnails. As you do that, you'll be able to see the options of plus icon over here at the bottom. So tap on that and here you'll be able to add the page on Canva. So here you can just add another picture or another text or anything that you would want. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.